Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make Wix website look good on mobile. Once on your Wix dashboard or better yet editor page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to select switch to mobile. Once you have tapped on switch to mobile, you'll now be able to get a realistic mobile view. So at the moment, this is how my website would look on a mobile device. First off, you can see right here that we are provided with the hamburger menu, and this will apply. It doesn't matter the layout of your website. So for example, if I were to go back to desktop mode, you can see that I have the hamburger menu in the top right hand corner. Even if I were to go on a website like this that has this regular menu layout, if we were to select the mobile version, it automatically switches to the hamburger menu, which makes it easier. But let's say you would like to remove, for example, the search bar right here when you are on mobile. All you'll need to do is select the search bar. Then from there, you can tap on hide element. So now, from now on, that will be hidden when someone is on mobile, as it did make the website look untidy. And if there's any other thing that you would like to change, you can do that. For example, if you would like to change the size of your logo, you can do that. You can also change the size of text, and the changes will only apply to the mobile version. So you don't have to worry about it affecting your desktop version. For example, if I would like to change the text size right here, all I would need to do is select the text, then tap on A negative, and you can see that the text size has changed. You can also select whether you would like the header section to stay put. So for example, you can select the header. After you have selected the header, you can tap on change header scroll. So you can see right here at the moment it is set to scroll with site. If you would like it to freeze so it stays put, you can do that. For example, if I were to select freeze, so let's say I were to select freeze right here. From now on, whenever someone scrolls up, the header would stay put. If you would like it to disappear, you can tap on disappear. If you would like it to fade out, you can select fade out. So you can select whichever one of these options that you think would optimize persons staying longer on your website. You can also delete or move any section on your website. So for example, let's say you would like to move this section. You can simply select the section. If I wanted to hide it from mobile, I could select the I right there, or I could tap on the three dots. From here, you can choose to move the section up or down. So let's say I wanted to move it up. I could move it up, as you can see right there. Or if it is a case that I wanted to move it down, I can tap on move section down, and you can see that it has moved down. And you can scroll down and you can continue making changes to any section. So for example, again, I can change the size of the text, or if I wanted to hide this section, I could simply select it, then tap on the eye icon to hide it. And that's basically it. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes, and you're going to tap on save and continue. Hope you found this video helpful and informative.